So what do I mean by Chuck in a truck? He's the guy that just bought an old, cheap van on Craigslist.
Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Dang it. Yes!
His Uncle Fred figured out how to get him on the Google.
Thanks, Fred. Now I'm all the way legit. I got all the social medias and stuff. Just tells everyone I really know what I'm doing.
Chuck's the guy that opens up a new business with a new name every time people get upset with him, and he gets a ton of bad reviews.
Fred, can you make me another one of those Google accounts?
How do you feel about Chuck's truck? They'll never know it's you.
Protect your home and don't fall victim to another Chuck in a truck.